Hello everyone, we would like to invite you to come to the second seminar, which is going to be the Ideation workshop being Agile and Entrepreneurial of our Digital Excellence program, which is a cooperation between ESMT Berlin and 41 Laws.
The program, or the 2 days of the program, will deal with customer centricity. We will walk through the 6 steps of design thinking. We will have a pitch training. We will conduct user interviews to really gain empathy for our users. And together with Umut from 41 North, we will also dive into the topic of Lean Startup, of MVPs and hypothesis testing. So come and join us there if you're interested in customer-centric innovation.